We are rebuilding Rolling Fork day by day, right? Let's eat it! All right, let's see. Oh man, yeah, he's like first bite ever. That's the best thing I've ever had in my entire life. Look at this guy go. I love this. Okay, no gagging. Are you just having lunch, Sam? All right, y'all can do it. You're doing great. Come on, look, you guys crazy.
But it looks great. And give $5 admission donations. If you miss the tables on the way in, you'll be given a little blue wristband. That way we know that you've done it. Thank you. Also, make sure to visit our amazing vendors that we've had today. And Ms. Jessica Quintanillo, the tamale stand. We got some amazing seasoned corn over here. Please have fun today. Thank you.
Yes.
No. Well, that's what I said.
Hey everybody, I'm Eden Brent and I'm glad to be back in Rolling Fork, Mississippi. I love the Great Delta Barrel Fair, and more than that, I love Rolling Fork, Mississippi. So thank y'all for having me back, and here we go.
Mississippi flatland.